Hello everybody, this is Joe Vias and Joe Small Engine Repair. I'm here with another video on how to go ahead and fix this two-stroke engine. I have a scooter here that's in really bad shape. There was a person who emailed me on my personal email who asked me if I could go ahead and do another do another video on how to do a scooter, because he would like to know to go ahead and try to figure out what's wrong with his. Okay, and he says that it's in really bad shape. Well, my friend Dave Mower, he went ahead and he has this scooter here, but it's in, obviously in bad shape and stuff. I mean, really bad shape. So just believe me, it's in bad shape. Okay. I'll go ahead and give you a little bit. So you can see what it looks like here. Now this is a two-stroke, but you can see back here, there's even the gas tank is wrong. There's no air box cover, but it looks like everything else is here except that it doesn't want to start, and it looks like it needs some serious fuel line. It has some serious fuel line issues here, and you can see it's not really in the best of shape or anything. But Dave just told me to work on the engine. He says that he can go ahead and just work on the rest. I said okay. So anyway, here we go, and this is a Viza Motors. It is a Viza Viper. Little GoPed, I think, or scooter or whatever. I'm not sure how many things. It has a John Deere motor on it, so I'll tell you what, I'll just give you more information as I go on, okay guys? Put the back on here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, basically, somehow I got to figure out how to go ahead and take it off. Oh, jeepers. I think I just better take everything apart. It's a big mess. It's a really ugly mess. So I wanted to know, how's everybody been doing with this coronavirus going on? For me, it's been like, what, almost 2 months of me being stuck in my house doing nothing but other than working on small engines. That hasn't been too bad, but you can only do that for so long before you go crazy. So what I'm doing now is I'm taking off the recoil. I also want to say thank you for all my subscribers. I want to say thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you guys will watch my videos, and I hope you like them. I am trying to do better videos and stuff, maybe do some more videoing stuff, doing video stuff, but I'm not too much about that. But I gotta learn to do it right. So okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take the spark plug off. I'm going to go ahead and take off need to take off the cable here. I'm going to take off the carburetor, because this carburetor is in bad shape. Those are one of the main focuses I want to look on, or go ahead and check first. Yes, Clay, what can I do for you? So what I want to do is I want to take this carburetor apart and go ahead and check it out, look into it, and see how it's going. Doesn't look too bad. Go ahead and Our plug doesn't look too bad. Let's go ahead and just go into this. So, has anything been going on with you guys lately? I heard that here in Utah, that I heard that the cinema is going to be starting up again, the cinemas and stuff like that. We've gone from a red to, I believe, an orange color, where that means that it's not as bad anymore. Where hopefully we'll go ahead and have a little bit more going on. I hope soon that everything's going to go back to normal. That would be great if it did, because it's oh God, what? It's been what, 2 weeks? No, 2 months now, almost. 2 months that we've been in this quarantine state. You know, for me and everything, it's been really, really boring. You know, I mean, maybe for you guys it's been okay, but for me, it's glad we're going to go back to some semblance of civilization. Okay, so I got this gas tank here, and oh man, I shouldn't have opened that. That was stunk. So somehow I need to get okay. I see. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the guy off here. I'm gonna take the motor off. Uncle's not here, baby. So we can turn this way. Like I said, it's in bad shape.